Hey guys, welcome to this video, and finally I've got my hands on Xiaomi Mi A1 and I'm kind of really excited to unbox this phone because I've heard a lot about this phone and people are just crazy about it. So Xiaomi came up with the red edition of this phone and I was quick to buy this one. So here it is, and this is actually the 32 gig version rather than the 64 gig, and it's a special edition red. So there you go, let's unbox it and see what's in there. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's take this off as well. Okay, so we have got dual camera, 2x optical zoom, pure Android, fresh OS upgrades straight from Google, great Snapdragon 625 processor, again awesome 5.5-inch Full HD display. So very nice specifications. And this is the global version. Let's open it up. How do we do that? Okay, so it slides out. Let's take it off, and now we just, and there we have it. That is Mi A1 red edition, and thankfully we have got a black front. So let's take this phone out. Okay, so how do we take it out? So there it is. Wow, it actually looks really nice and this color is really bright. So let's take off this protector and let's take this off as well. Now let's bask in the glory of this phone. It's so bright. Anyways, let's put it aside for a while and go through rest of the products in the box. So let's see what we have here. So we've got our SIM ejector tool here, and how do we open this thing? Okay, so let's go this way. We've got some manual here. We have our charging cable standard, and then we have our charger. So is this fast charger? I don't think so. This is 5-volt 2 ampere charger. Okay, what else? SIM ejector tool, and that's about it. That's what is inside the box. We have a screen protector here as well, so that's nice. This is not glass, this is a plastic screen protector. But anyways, let's take a look at this phone. It's gorgeous. I'm kind of really digging this red color here. And we've got a fingerprint scanner, USB Type-C, speakers, and audio jack, power button, volume buttons, Clicky, really nice. And we've got mic at the top, dual cameras, flash there. Let's turn it on. I'm kind of really excited because this is the first time I'll be using an Android One phone running pure Android. This is a really nice phone. It feels really good in the hand. This is built of aluminium, I guess. I don't know, maybe plastic. It seems like aluminium. Feels really nice in the hand, and there we go. Let's go skip for now. Setup as new. We'll do that later. Okay, we have to wait a little more, I guess. We've got these antenna lines running at the top and bottom here. Kind of reminds you of iPhone 7 or 6, I guess. Okay, skip for now. Can we do that? Yes. Next. Let's just go through this. Okay, so let's add fingerprint. Okay, so let's go through the fingerprint sensor as well. So let's see how long it takes. So there you go, all done. I can add another one if I want to. Mi services, user experience programs, and diagnostic data. Okay, and anything else, all set. And there we go. We are running on pure Android straight from Google on Mi A1. Kind of nice. We've got capacitive keys here, no on-screen buttons, and I would be really glad to see if I can turn on the on-screen navigation keys. That would be really great, and I would be really impressed if that is something I can turn on. But that's about it from this video, guys. That was the unboxing and initial setup of Mi A1. I kind of really want to see how fast is the camera. So okay, not that fast but not that slow either. Takes photos all right. Got some options here, so I'll go through them in detail in upcoming videos. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see and what is it you want me to talk about and mention. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. You can also catch me up on Twitter if you want. The links will be in the description, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.